सेंटर थोड़ा पीछे ले सर बस यस सर सही है सर ये बोलो में स्ट्रेट पूरा सेंटर
So you have to remain because we've got another dynamic stud on stage with us, ladies and gentlemen. The man who roars like a tiger and lives like a tiger, Tiger Shroff.
Our AV was too long, so I'll try and keep my speech short. When we do anything at Colors, we do it in scale, we do it in size, we do it well. We had IFA on our platform for the first time last year, and you would have experienced the difference. I can only assure you that it's going to get bigger and better, and to demonstrate our intent, we have the big boss this year on IFA. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Tiger Shroff, the youth sensei, to go to Spain, excited to perform. What's going on in your head right now?
Very excited, very nervous. My first ever performance on IFA. I have the privilege of performing alongside such mega stars like Salman sir. So yeah, I really have to step my game up, and I'm going to work very hard to, get my game down. No, but I'm really looking forward to the weekend, and it's really an honor for me to be a part of the weekend, and I feel like I feel like I'm a little something, a little part of the industry, by just being a part of such a big event. So yeah.
Of course, you are, because you've got 2 smashing hits backing you up right now. You've been to Spain before? Have you had some experiences there? Or this is the first time in Spain as well?
This is my first time in Spain. I don't travel too much. Bandra se Juhu. Not much really. Yeah.
Great, yeah. But I'm sure it's going to be definitely better than Bandra and Juhu. The whole experience in Spain is going to be phenomenal for you as well. There are a lot of people out there who want to get a sample of what you're going to be doing on stage. So I'm going to play your track. You're the god of dancing. I am a novice.
That's actually Hrithik Roshan and actually Salman sir as well in their own styles. But I'm trying to.
So you're the third god of dancing. Okay, third god of dancing. Hit the track. Thank you, Tiger. Please take a seat, and thank you for being so sporting, man. You're, like you said, the third god of dancing. Thank you. I bow to thee. Shilpa, you're going to be having a yoga session in Madrid. Wow, is that the first for you there as well?
The first I did out of India. A very good evening to you, ladies and gentlemen, members of the press. The first one I did was in Dubai, and was a huge success. And I have to say this: it's a great platform, and I have to use it to the optimum best. I don't know how the team of IFA, Andre, Viraf, Sabas, every time, they do it better every year. I keep thinking, it's not going to get better than this. And they pull out a rabbit out of the hat. And I think it's such an interesting concept to kind of make this amalgam of health and Bollywood. And, as you're all are aware, yoga is practiced world over. It comes from India. I'm very, very proudly associated with it. And when they asked me to be part of something like this, I was more than gladly, I more than gladly agreed to do it. So it's going to be a privilege. It's going to be a new one for IFA. And I think it's a great platform for me as well. So thank you very much.
There are a lot of people who are dying to learn yoga from you. Can you teach us a yoga pose, please? A glimpse. Sir would also like to know. Sir, she is the one for yoga, sir. You can practice this as well, sir. All right, here goes.
Here goes.
एक आपको मेरी जवानी की कसम. आपको आपकी जवानी की कसम.
I'm wearing heels. So when you practice yoga, as everyone's aware, you have to take your shoes out. No, and I'm not warmed up. So, there's a method to the madness. I can't disrespect what I do, so I don't want to do it here. But we're really going to have great fun, and I'd like you to be part of the session. Siddharth, you need it. So please be there. Thank you so very much. And I'm really looking forward to it. looking forward to going to Spain. I've been to Barcelona, so Madrid is going to be really great. And I'm really looking forward to IFA because it's really this one big family that comes together. IFA does something new every time. And they've always been trendsetters. They're the first to take the film fraternity out of the country and celebrate them. And it was through IFA that I actually got to see the love, you know, of all our fans world over. And I had no idea there was such a huge Indian diaspora everywhere I went. And it was so wonderful to see that. And they make that happen. So a huge round of applause to the team of IFA. Thank you very much.
Are you sure you're not warmed up enough to do yoga? Can I give you a hug and make it warm? Thank you. Suraj, is this your first IFA as well?
It is my first IFA, yes. And actually, this is the first time I'm performing on stage. I've never performed on stage, so this is the first time I'm performing on stage. So I'm nervous, but I'm excited, yes.
I'm sure, but I know you're going to be doing a damn good job on stage as well. Kanika, so yeah, it's just round the corner.
Yes, I'm really excited. My second time, and I'm performing, and I'm preparing for that.
Can you do a 30-second rendition of what you're preparing for the IFA?
Yeah, leave it. Come on. Let's have a surprise. It's something special we're putting together.
All right. Come on.
I think we shouldn't break the suspense because it's gonna...
It's okay. Come on. All right.
Ladies first, please.
Ladies first. All right. Give it up for Kanika Kapoor, please. Hello, Monali. God bless you.
Where's the mic? You need another mic for her. Come.
Acha, Monali, basically when you were outside...
Not my fault, they took me.
No, that's okay. So you're going to be performing at the IFA as well?
Yes.
So give us a 30-second rendition or whatever you're going to be doing. We'd love to see you in action here. Give it up for Monali Thakur, please. Come on.
I think the line I'm going to sing is also going to justify my feeling for IFA. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Great things come in small packages, like they say. Benny Anna, ella saukema?
Super-ஆ இருக்குப்பா. நீங்க தமிழ்ல பேசினால I'll sing something in Tamil which I sang for the
பாடுங்க
movie.
பாடுங்க மச்சான், ரொம்ப
Which I
நல்லதுடா.
sang for the movie Kapoor and Sons. It's called Let's Nacho, and it's gone.
All right, Kanika, now
Well, I
please.
was just asked outside what I would sing for IFA. Well, of course, the signature. Oh, मुझको award भी दिला दे यार.
IFA वाले आपकी shopping भी करवा देंगे. Don't worry about that. I'd like to have all four of you together for a photo opportunity as well, please, for the cameras. Give it up for the awesome foursome on stage, please. Thank you so much, Benny, Monali, Kanika, Suraj. Looking forward to seeing you live in action in Madrid as well. Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Anil sir, I made a damn good intro for you, yaar. Should I repeat it or cut down कर दूं? मैं बोलूं आपके सामने वापस. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
This year is very special. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think for me, IFA this year is all about friendship. It's my friendship with IFA. It's my friendship with Viraf, Andres, Abbas. It's my friendship with Mr. Raj Naik from Colors. My friendship with Maruti Suzuki. All of them at Maruti and all the friends of my fraternity. And especially this year is about Salman Khan. When I've been going in the last few years to IFA, and one person I was missing was Salman. And he's coming back to IFA, I think, after how many years, Salman? 3 years. So IFA was, we had great fun the last 3 years, but it was not the same. So whenever Salman was there for all the IFAs, they were very, very special for me because it was like a family. We all were there. We used to go to his room and party, and his generosity, his friendship, his love. It was fantastic, and I missed that. So I'm looking forward to being with him again. It's all about friendship. My friendship with Salman also. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anil sir. Always a pleasure to hear you. Thank you so much. I'd like to call Ellie Avram and Daisy Shah as well on stage. Please give it up. Yes, ladies, Madrid, IFA, lethal combination, huh? Daisy, first you. So, it's going to be in Madrid, land of sports, culture. What do you have in your hand? What's your perception right now?
I'm not going with any perception. I'm just going to make myself busy seeing all the, exploring the entire Madrid and performing for IFA for sure. And looking forward to have a great time there.
I'm sure you will. And Ellie, you are an incredible dancer as well. So you're getting jitters. Are you nervous? Are you feeling confident? What's going on in your head right now?
Well, thank you so much. I'm always nervous. I love to perform. I really love it. But every single time I do it, I'm always so nervous. I always have the butterflies, which I believe is a good sign. You should never lose them. And I'm very excited to go to Madrid. Super excited. And I'm super excited to get this opportunity to finally perform on IFA because it has been one of my dreams. I still remember when I was in Sweden, and IFA is really the award that a lot of us abroad, we who are like Bollywood fans, we always look forward to see the IFA award, And now I'm getting to be a part of it, so I'm just so grateful for that.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what do I say about this man? The biggest superstar this country has ever seen. Anything he touches turns to gold.
I love Andre, Sabas, Viraf, IFA. आप लोगों के बारे में क्या बोलूं मैं? I love you too. कभी कभी. काफ़ी समय से ये आइफा और मेरी कुंडली बन नहीं रही थी. I kept on missing it. I think about 4 years I've missed it, and I'm going this year. Going there to have a good time, see Madrid, and spread lots and lots of love and come back. Thank you.
Salman, please, 1 second.
Shut up.
No. So, Meet Brothers, come here, Meet Brothers. Salman, there's a small surprise that the Meet Brothers have for you. Aaja, give it up for both the brothers as well. Salman, can I request you to please come on stage as well? Bhaiyon, aaiye. Ye le.
Okay. So, you want to say it or should we say it?
You go for it, my friend.
Okay, hi everybody, good afternoon, I'm Manmeet.
I'm Harmeet.
So, everybody had always seen the actor Salman Khan. We were the first fortunate ones, for the first time, who saw the singer Salman Khan on the mic in our studios with us. This is the first time when we recorded him. Ye bol raha tha ki aapse gawana hai. So I don't know if that's a good idea.
No, we're going to sing for him, and we'll see how it goes.
So this is a song for the first time when we did with Salman Bhai. It's called Hangover, as you all know it. So we're just going to hum. Do you have a track? Or
Yeah, of course we got the track. Okay. Thank you so much, Harmeet and Manmeet. Ladies and gentlemen, they've really come up their way with a lot of struggle and a lot of hard work. Give it up. Thank you so
परफॉर्म करने वाले कितने नर्वस है, कितने एक्साइटेड है? गाना सुना नहीं है। माइक तो आगे ले लो प्लीज, निकाल दो ये वाला, जिसका प्रॉब्लम हो निकाल दो आगे ले लो। सलमान भी है, ऋतिक भी है वहाँ पर, बहुत अच्छे डांसर माने जाते हैं। तो आपको क्या लगता है लोग जाना पड़ेगा? और पूछो ना कोई। अरे माइक ही नहीं पूछ रहे तो क्या? अरे यार घूमते रहिए। साइलेंट। अरे लहरे।
सेंट्रल जितना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे सकूँ मैं ट्राई करूँगा। और फर्स्ट आईफा है, नॉमिनेटेड भी हूँ, जीतूँगा तो
कौन से गाने पे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं?
जाकर मौका मिलता है अवार्ड बनने के अलावा क्या घूमना फिरना शॉपिंग कुछ मौका मिलता है ऐसा?
देखो फ्री के टिकट मिले, फ्री का होटल स्टे है तो थोड़ा मस्ती तो करेंगे।
So
in a few months, August, September. बस
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
प्यार मोहब्बत
चिल्लर पट्टी पकड़ के रखा इधर, छोड़ दे जॉब, छोड़ दे।
ये कितना लकी मानते हैं आप आईफा का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं? सलमान जो जिन्हें आईफा कई दिन से ट्राई कर रहा था ऑन बोर्ड लाने के लिए, वो भी आईफा का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं। दिस इज ऑल द फीलिंग ऑल टुगेदर, सलमान आल्सो बी अ पार्ट ऑफ
दिस इज़ आवर बर्थ। हम लोग अभी पैदा हो रहे हैं आईफा में, फर्स्ट ईयर इन आईफा। तो एक बच्चे की जैसे फीलिंग होती है, एक्साइटेड, हैप्पी एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि वहाँ पे एक पार्टी होने वाली है। इट्स अ बिग पार्टी सेलिब्रेशन, और पूरे साल जो मेहनत करी हमने, चिट्टियाँ कलाइयाँ, बेबी डॉल, गाने बनाए, उसका एक तरीके से ये पे बैक टाइम है, रिवॉर्ड है।
पार्टी एनिमल्स बन के आईफा में पार्टी करेंगे।
या बिकॉज नॉट ओनली दैट, पहली बार इस बार हम आईफा में जाने वाले हैं, ये पहली बार हम आईफा में परफॉर्म भी कर रहे हैं। और हाउ कैन वी नॉट बी सिंगिंग आवर ट्रैक पार्टी एनिमल्स। हम आपको उसकी लाइन सुनाएंगे जो हम आईफा में परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि वहाँ क्या होने वाला है।
ये हमारा भी लेटेस्ट सिंगल जो आया है उसकी लाइन है।
कुछ एक क्रेजी परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है, अभी हम उसकी तैयारी कर रहे हैं एंड इट्स गोना बी अमेजिंग।
फुल पार्टी एनिमल्स बन के आ रहे हैं आईफा में इस बार।
सलमान की शादी की खबरें आ रही हैं,
अगर होती है तो फिर ऑब्वियसली हमने उनसे पहली बार जो एक्टर सलमान खान को तो पूरी दुनिया ने देखा हुआ था, हम लोग वो पहले लोग थे जिन्होंने सिंगर सलमान खान को देखा अपने स्टूडियो में माइक के ऊपर। तो हम गाएंगे।
भाई सलमान भाई अगर कर रहे हैं शादी तो मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है हिंदुस्तान पे सालों तक हैंगओवर रहेगा इस बात का। बहुत दिल टूटेंगे, और जो दिल टूटेंगे लड़कियों के, उसका भी हैंगओवर रहने वाला है। भाई दिस इज़ समथिंग अगर ये सच है तो फिर आर बेस्ट विशेज एंड वी आर इज यंगर ब्रदर्स। हम लोग वहाँ पे भांगड़ा करेंगे और नाचेंगे, गाएंगे और खूब रौनक लगाएंगे और सारी रात गाएंगे मीत ब्रदर्स। ये हमारा प्रॉमिस है।
What are my thoughts about performing at IFA? Right now, I'm not thinking about IFA, but I'm sure it should be good. I've not been performing very much of late, so let's see how it goes. I think it should be fine. don't expect a Hrithik Roshan kind of performance or a Tiger Shroff kind of performance from me. But it'll be different.
4 साल आप आईफा में नहीं थे, आपने कितना
4 साल या 5 साल I think. 4 या 5 years, yeah.
कितना मिस किया आपने आईफा?
अब इस बार अब जाऊंगा तो पता चलेगा कितना मिस किया मैंने आईफा को. It's क्योंकि ये जो तीनों जो पार्टनर्स हैं आईफा के वो मेरे बचपन के दोस्त हैं, so it's a special bond that I have with them and they take good care of me. It's all about friendship and love and I really like these guys. ये सिर्फ आईफा के टाइम पर ही मेरे साथ में नहीं होते, they are with me always. I mean I meet up with them very often and they've always stood by me, they've always been with me, so it's a different kind of connect altogether. Viraf, Andre and Sabas. जी वो जो एक 4 दिन की छुट्टी होती है वो मैं मिस करता हूँ.
सर आपने कहा कहीं छुट्टी नहीं मिली, इतने सालों का वक्त हो गया, कितना सालों का गैप रहा.
सर काम कर रहा था सर.
अनिल सर ने कहा कि क्या वजह रही
क्योंकि जो ये 3-4 आईफा हुए हैं वो काफ़ी दूर हुए हैं और क्योंकि मैं फिल्म में बैक टू बैक कर रहा था तो उनमें वो डेट्स एडजस्ट नहीं हो पाए. तो कभी मैं कश्मीर में था तो कभी मैं और था तो कभी मैं और था, तो वो डेट्स हो नहीं पाए. अब मैनेज हो गए इस साल के डेट्स, तो जा रहा हूँ. I don't think he misbehaved. I don't think he misbehaved at all. Well, just the other day, I was coming up from the airport. One journalist, kept her mic in my friend's face, and so he just moved the mic, and he said, "What's wrong with you, idiot?" So I had to look at her and said, "And my dad is 80 something. You can't come and stick. You're young people. You can't come and stick your mics in front of him. What if he falls?" This is to happen with Sohail. Please don't try this stuff with me. Where's my parents? Where's my parents? My family, my friends, especially my mother, Helen auntie, and my dad. We're young people. You can do this with us. Don't do this because you will not like this if I do it in front of you. Your parents. So have that respect. See, now you're standing here like this. It's so cool. Now you're competing with each other, and no one's getting any bite. No one's getting any statement. So if my brother at that point in time is concerned for my father, he's not abusing you. He's just, feeling really shit about that whole situation that took place. It shouldn't have happened. If you guys have behaved yourself, that would have never happened. Why are you provoking? Don't provoke like this. Keep your distance. आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़े जा रहे हो to get your mics in front. You have the decorum, no? We all stand. Who doesn't stand and who does not talk to people? We all do. But there's one section who does not just want to, keep that decorum intact. We're seniors. What time were you there? Now, my brother and my father were having a nice dinner together. What time did you go there? And what is this ridiculous statement that you wanted to find out about? What was the time? 12 o'clock in the night. You want to know whether I'm getting married or not? So, that's not. And they stood there, no? They stood there nicely.
Salman, but at this platform, can we really ask? A lot of fans are also anticipating.
अरे नहीं बाबा यार.
अरे एक मिनट यार. Salman, no. I mean, a lot of fans. You have million fans. You have million fans in India and abroad. The question is, will you actually marry William Vantur? Because there is a lot of speculation.
That is my thing.
1 second, guys.
That's my thing. I don't even know your name. Why should I tell you, dude? That's my thing. That's for my family, for me.
Can we ending this because it's related to
When I want to get married, I will get married. I don't need to tell you when I'm getting married. Understand that? If I want to do that, I will tweet it. Okay? If I'm doing that, I'll tweet up on my Facebook. So that is something that I will keep it to me and my fans.